watching Rive's Radical Rides right here on YouTube.
Well, this worked out. My dad's been cleaning and sorting bolts, so I got what I need for the brake. Good job, thanks, Dad.
So loud! The only thing I did good here is I got her bang on all the way. I missed on that hole though. All the other ones are good. I missed on that one. So we're gonna take the bird, just clean it out a little bit. Should be fine. Alright, I'm just gonna leave the piece there and go buck wild. So she lines up. That's had a little pressure for some reason. Well, I think it's high time we have a little bit of a demo here. I found a leftover piece of trunk from the race car, so we are going to cut it. Good. This side's a little bit messed up too, so we're best cutting it. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know what gauge this is, but easily bendable. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, now that we have a nice straight piece, I'm going to take it over to the other part. Woo! How exciting is this? We're gonna make nothing important, really. Just gonna, oh yeah, just put a 90 on that. Oh, it's beautiful. Put another little 90 on it. If I had my, if I took the box part out, it'd be easy. Yeah, yeah. Now we're bending. Yeah, that's real easy. I don't think it can go super thick, but like, you know, for stuff like this, I'm pretty curious. I wish I had a little piece of aluminum, kind of like the stuff we're gonna use on the car or whatever. But yeah, so cool demonstration. Almost a year after. I don't remember when I picked them up. I'm gonna have to go look. I feel like it's been a year. It was snowing. Alright, see. Alright, I have my coffee. It's early morning. Let's go in there and do something productive. First things first, we need some wood. I've been cleaning and organizing. There's no more junk here. There's almost no more junk here. I could actually kind of walk through here. Oh, wait, hang on, back up. Oh yeah, nice. Nice, I got my fenders. Scores. Abby's parents came through. Alright, I've got the car jacked up. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to drop the leaf springs. And we've got the press. See if we can set ourselves up to press out the bushings and press the new ones in. If not, probably have to go to the farm and grab some things and stuff. But it's getting late, so I'm gonna get cracking so that I can get somewhere. Alright, got the one leaf out. I'm gonna start by doing one at a time.
jack stand on each side and the jack's still there, so that's what we'll do one at a time. Gotta pop this off and then see what we need. Alright, I've got nothing to press these in, so we're gonna go to the farm, see if we can grab a socket or something to help us press out the old one. And yeah. My dad is in a full-blown cleanup in here. The other side looks nice. The one thing, we're getting there. Slowly cleaning things up. Yeah, my dad and my mom replaced the lights. You gotta see this. It's almost not believable. Alright, this is just the top lights. On camera it looks half decent. Not as decent as this. Ho 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 ho! Ho ho, man! That is wild. Anyways, gonna clean up from here. My dad's got plans to bring the tractor in. It's sitting right there. Got it fired up last week, or a couple weeks ago. We're gonna bring it in. He's gonna get it fixed. Hopefully we can do this real soon. They can, or if I have to come in here and do a bunch of it, because I still have a white 6.5 liter Detroit that's not happy with life, and it needs to be fixed. And alright, we're all set up here. I'm gonna let the compressor do its thing. Once it's filled up, we'll try to get you guys set up so we can watch me do good or fail. Well, I'm not as scared as I was. Yeah, better let off that pressure. The springs are a little scary. Also, the other thing that's a little scary is that I never made that lock that holds that thing in there. And it almost fell on me earlier. Looks like the bushing's out. Sweet! Here's the crazy part. It came out perfect that I can sell this to somebody. Awesome. Alright, so the socket's kind of jammed in there. But I'm going to use the aluminum slug that has to go in there to push out the socket. So it'll work out. This is perfect. Yeah! Oh man, this is so cool. I almost feel like I have to build a plate underneath with like guides along the frame, but for something simple like this, whew, easy peasy. Man, I slapped that together so fast I forgot to videotape. So essentially the bracket goes in and over this spot where the pivot point is. You slide this in place, throw the pin in, and you put your aluminum washers on each side. Grease the crap out of that pin you threw in there, and then put your thing back in and bolt back through. Sorry, single-handedly not taking over the world. Oh. Struggling. But man, that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, perfect. Really impressed with the press. It's impressed. Yes. Alright, with this car, I have put the back in. So I have to slide the bolt in with the shackle pushed all the way back this way. Then I'm going to set it all up. I'm not going to tighten anything yet. I'm going to put this up, put my U-bolts in my bottom bracket. Then I will move over to the other side, because what I want to do is I don't want to tighten all these bushings and shackles while this is hanging. I want to tighten everything up while the diff is pushed up into where it's supposed to be, so that, you know, all the bushings are settled properly. So that's the plan. I'm gonna lift this up, and I wish I could find my little camera mount, but I can't, so you have to bear with me. Alright, I've got the bolt in. I don't have the nut on. I should probably do that. Just put the nut on for safety purposes, if I can find it amongst my mess. One day I'll be good at this. I was having one of those moments. I was looking everywhere. I was like, there's the washer. Where the hell's the bolt? I can't find the bolt. I wonder where it is. If that's ever happened to you, comment down below. I want to know. I want to know. You know, I'm clearly not the only one that suffers a little bit. Not calling this job suffering, but it's going good. So I've got it up in place. And it wasn't too bad. I've got the bolts all loose up there. There's only one left to do. Alright, back to the adventure of the longest bolt to tighten. Maybe give her some shit. Perfect. All done. So these springs, these are Hotchkiss springs. Are they Hotchkiss? I forget. I forget. I believe they're Hotchkiss. They came with these poly pads to sit between the mount and the spring. So I'm gonna grease them so they don't squeak. That's just personal preference. Alright, we got the bracket in. Seems the U-bolts are slightly interfering with that little poly mount thing. So I'm just going to squish them. They're spreading out a little bit. I'll squish them together as I bolt them up. I've got my nuts, but I didn't have my washers on there. And I'm gonna have to find them. I don't know if they're in the car or not, from when we moved everything inside from outside. Things may or may not have gotten lost. But don't worry. Ooh, I'm so tired. It's 1 a.m., 1:30 in the morning. I just want to get one side completed so that I could be like, yeah! And then come in here like a crazy monkey tomorrow and rip apart the other side and do it all, and then start running brake lines. Yeah, yeah, yeah! You know, I'm really excited. I want to finish this car. Alright, she's in there. Well, that's fun. I will do the other side off camera, but that's basically it. Screw everything in and make everything happy. Once again, good job.